Good morning, students. For today class, let us discuss the question based on CBSE pattern, and we will discuss the question from chapter motion. So, first question will consist of, that means section A will consist of different types of 1 marks question. So here let us start now. So this is your first test series. I will discuss some of the test series. So let's start from today. Out of the following, identify the graph corresponds to a motion with number 1 uniform retardation and number 2 zero acceleration. So this 3 graph is given to you, A, B, C, and from this only you have to find the answer, that which one represent uniform retardation and which one represents zero acceleration. So for the first answer, let us see uniform retardation. Retardation, that means decreasing speed. So here in speed time graph, the decreasing speed shows uniform retardation. So for first answer, it will be C. It represent uniform retardation. For question number 2, let's see zero acceleration. So students, definition of acceleration, that is rate of change in velocity. When there is no change in velocity, no acceleration. If it is no acceleration, that means we can say zero acceleration. So here you see part B, in speed time graph, whatever the speed is, suppose it is 0 at 0 second, suppose it is, I am taking 40 meter per second. So if you will say, see at first second it is also 40 meter per second, at second it is also 40 meter per second, at third second it is also 40 meter per. So what here, speed is not changing. And if speed is not changing, that means no acceleration. So for zero acceleration, the graph B it represents. Come for second question. Which physical quantity is given by area under the velocity time graph? So area under velocity time graph. So suppose here I have this, let us consider this graph speed time, and if the area under this speed time graph we will consider, then it gives us distance. So area under velocity time graph, what it gives us? Displacement. You know velocity is displacement by time. So area under velocity time graph represent the displacement. So see the next question. Assertion reason. So in assertion reason, 4 different parts is given, as I have discussed earlier also. So once again I am revising this repeating these 4 different parts. First, your first part will be both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason are the correct explanation of assertion. Second part will be the assertion and reason are correct and the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third will be assertion is true and the reasons are false, and fourth will be assertion is false and the reason are true. Assertion means a very strong concept about anything that is given, that means that that statement is right. So let's see the first question. Assertion, it is given uniform circular motion is also called accelerated motion. Yes, uniform circular motion is also called accelerated motion. Why? If you stop at any point, you will find that it's tangent with its direction. So here, direction of that velocity. So reason is given, direction of motion changes at every point. So velocity is not constant. As the direction at every point you take out the tangent, the direction is changes. So as the direction is changes, velocity does not remains constant, because in our daily life, you see, whenever we have to change the direction, naturally we have to decrease the speed of that vehicles or that body, and then only we can change the direction. So here, what will be answer? First, check it. Both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason are correct explanation. Yes. For this case, number 1, A will be the correct answer for this case. A, question number 1, first one will be the correct answer because reason is correct explanation of assertion. Second, you come, sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Yes, assertion is right. Let us see the reason. The earth revolves around the sun in circular manner. If earth revolves around the sun in a circular manner, it does not seem that it is only the correct explanation. This is not only the factor in which it proves that sun appears to rise in east and set in west. So for question number 2, the answer will be 2, that is assertion is correct. Assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. See the next types of question. Now next type is MCQ, multiple choice based questions. So first question is, equation of motion can be used for a body having, for which body or which type of motion we can able to use equation of motion. So first, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Second, uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. So students, if we can say that uniform motion, so motion generally we are considering with a type speed. Body is in certain speed, we are saying the body is in motion. So here, in all the 4, answer C will be correct, because if it is having an acceleration, then only we can use the equation of motion. So option C is right, uniform acceleration. Second question is, for bodies starting from rest, the displacement in 10 seconds, when it acquires 4 meter per second in 2 seconds. That means it acquires 4 meter per second in 2 seconds and the body is starting from rest. Then it is how we will solve this. What will be its displacement? So here mainly we have to discuss about this displacement. That means the distance covered. So here first of all, what is given? Time is given. Speed is also given, 4 meter per second. So here first of all, what we have to get? We have to get acceleration. So answer V is equal to U plus AT, and from this we will find A is equal to V minus U by T. We have we have U, so V we have 4 meter per second, that is 4 minus, it has started from rest, so it is 0, and it is completing this 4 meter per second, that is in 2 seconds. 2 seconds. So what we have got? Acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate the displacement, that is the distance covered by the body. So displacement, you know the formula, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So here S is equal to what we here in with this what we have U, naturally is starting from rest, so U we have 0, so 0 into T is nothing, plus half. Acceleration we have got 2, so directly we can write it 2, and we have to find in for 10 seconds. So time we are going to take, that is 10 seconds, 10 square, T square. So you know 0 into T is 0, so I am not writing 0, plus half here 2 and 2 cancelled, so 10 into 10, 100 meter. So option, which option? First option is 25 meter, second option is 50 meter, third option is 500 meter, and fourth option is 100 meter. So 100 meter will be the correct answer. So students, this is only section A question I have discussed. Tomorrow section B, C, D, all total I'll discuss. So in section A, one word answer, multiple choice based answer, assertion reason type answer. It may possible fill in the blanks, but there is less certainty. So please practice these questions. Okay.